Hi, welcome back. Masih aku nak tahu sih, bagi text number 9 ni ko discussion part 1 ni. Part 1 itu nak kaya question sih. Part 1 tu nak kaya aku tahu sih numericals macam ini kan. Numericals tu base tahu sih. Part 2 tu nak mungkin magnetism ki the base tahu. Ada mungkin theoretical part, kayak theory the base tahu. Kayak lu kon tak sih. Mungkin paramagnetic, diamagnetic, ferro-ferric kan deh ko. Anti-ferromagnetic ada. Hari ni juga ada tu kena ni sih. theory khá ta kêu người lecture cái lecture yang juga sampai yang orang mana nhưng question nya kalau question pyro ko aduga question je pama ho razi ai question je ithoi ko mai sana question lo pa jara ni question number 1 two similar coils of radius r over the coil ni karo are lying concentrically with their planes at right angle at the right angle ko na nani circle ni karo ni amana says for example amana smana circle is smana hai suppose this is a circle. Circle is some center C. C is the center of the circle. I am zoom small lady. Yara my radius of one heavenly radius of one circle and equals small lady. Good. C says some I have a center lady. They call. Place at right angle. My plane right angle. You say she plane a horizontal lady, I'm a vertical lady, and the uneasy marker 90-degree electron. Good smile. Super figure. I will circle is Amathamba. The circle make the more the circle amount minus good. The current flowing in them are I and 2I. Amana I, otherwise is 2I. Any Amada 2I, man, the direction Hange, very button Hamani. Smart has the resultant magnetic field induction at center. Center the magnetic field induction low. They are the gate. Good. Utu was it? Utuma the hand that we see company hand looking at. Physical no, maybe x y to another z axis z into smile to like go. Smile like a circle, but I'm here quite gather and smile every one. Your smile three centers. Current is the I generally. My magnetic field height already center the magnetic field from the light rose B1 again. Yeah, no, mu naught on the high I pi, see level current divided by 2 my radius. My direction D. Direction come out when you have. Smile like a plane in a city season, and right and thumb palo, very pasalo, 5 times over last of the way Manunga, Lama of the Swan Tolotro, and see Mamma on the Kasakani. This is alone, remember, Nagi, y axis the Kapalani, y axis the Nagi B1 door, like good. Next up, see is again us. I don't know, sign a smile thumb. I don't know, smile thumb. My thumb is go. Come on. Good. Come on. I'm gonna carry is not arrange. I don't know 2I. The same money called this is 2I. This is center. All the same my magnetic field different also I know mu naught see level current can be 2I or 2I divided by 2 pi twice my radius is amount. Also direction D. Smile cell ko ni khalo si ai na something yung matam na si the way si mathak thang ni khalo ko. This is the front side. See front side se oita about the mathak thang ni mathak thang ba sai pasal le pai ta ga di mathak ronda ke dogi magnetic field to so this is the direction of B2. I very negative x electrons. Okay. Value ani khane ani de ko net puto ke hadi B net ham to the vector de if the am laeba. Vector de direct line is in the vector de even line de wani ko tan di sia ba. Na ko ma magnitude puto ke ham to the khane pe dogi vector ani tension of se kamai i vector ye magnitude ani tension ro square ro ga tension ro B1 square plus B2 square plus twice B1 B2 har ma bani mar angle cos kita hydro. See any mark angle B1 is my sale, B2 is my sale. Amana y axis is a key, Amana negative x axis a lot. And the Mabani mark angle can no 90 degree. 90 degree. Sina B1, Sina B2, so the angle is 90 degree, cos 90 degree. Also, B1B mu naught I by 2R C square plus B2D I divided by twice R C whole square plus twice B1 B2 then again run this is 0 so that then is handle the cos 90 degree cos 90 is 0 ni ano si pula to kaya ni kana ito lemo we haro sidai kamano ko mu no ka mani I ka mani 2 r ka mani over kana ito lemo ni sida kana ito lemo dami 1 square plus sida kana lemo wi mata ki 2 lemo wi 2 square और इसी क्या आता है 2 square 4 4 plus 1 is 5 हमने root over 5 कराने और mu naught I by twice r root over 5 my unity x na. So this is the net magnetic field. See how we root over 5 mu naught I divided by 2R. Oh, option number E. Option number A is the answer. Oh, mu naught I 5 root over 5 mu naught I by 1. Line draw. Không có sao. Direction to her. Confusion to one. Direct is the lakan of the direct Saturday direct is it totally line. Good. Okay, next question number 2. Now post or similar because question number 2. A millivoltmeter of voltmeter of 25 millivolt range is to be converted to an ammeter of 25 range. The value in ohm of necessary shunt will be millivoltmeter of my range. So you know, sometimes the millivoltmeter I have said simply galvanometer galvanometer I'm going to the galvanometer that you ammeter to convert to me. And I said galvanometer is not voltmeter. We see number one. I was given DC galvanometer. And I'm 3 hours. Other day, emitter convert emitter to what we shunt resistance, very low shunt resistance. I'm going to parallel some row. The money limit to the IZ has a second. The mass is a voltmeter or bagi manane. Come on, no, say, smile to ease. Wow, okay, say, one limit is voltmeter have the athletic galvanometer, Malay galvanometer to the high resistance. I'm not my sambanato, high resistance, I'm not my sambato. See, we never nang isize by the way na sibo na voltmeter ko nerva voltmeter good magi range hare di voltmeter ki range si nagi range am to nagi v neba range hare di no I r neba I hare di sila ka do apna iz ko maximum limit to galvanometer le reflect to number limit iz into resistance r plus g ne good see ni ko nagi kan do this one is v equals to iz r plus G or galvanometer की resistance galvanometer की resistance कर रही है ना this is the limit maximum limit उसकी है सीमा क्या है कि say 25 millivolt ने की और C को लाइक है हो जाए कि वो emitter दा convert हो रही और C से अपन emitter दा convert हो गया है कि दौरान कोई ना या हम low shunt resistance हम लोग मतलब 10 माइनस हाफ से नहीं आवा good of 25 ampere range converted into an emitter of 25 meter का हर maximum से अपन convert to the range to maximum current to kaya naman hay 25 ampere or low have 25 ampere on man ngada ba do ammeter mo khata na convert to ge have target the value of this see is the my resistance value to have good okay ko ko amta okay be yaar see mo se sida mana ammeter ki range pire maximum value to never v maximum man on man ngada do B maximum is like that. This is the I so maximum I when you see the I Z to I Z to B potential V maximum divided by see pull up resistance. The resistance is G plus R and animal brain. So this is something V maximum the क्या 25 otherwise the G plus R C G value P D value P D otherwise कोई कहीं otherwise unit ना milliampere है ऐसे लेंगे good see what the trouble concept position same चलो line up तो next D Simo ka kami I Z exact value of kami ato di ako yung sila na ba sila sa lahat ng range kaya 25 pa rin 25 ampere one doni na sila I Z sa kami na 25 minus I Z do sila lang yo ato di mabani yung potential na yun siya sige potential ka man hong thokro series ni na si dagi si bhog yung potential ziga sige san ki potential ka man hong thoi man series ka bagi ato di ako yung kaya ni ato di also potential ani B across S से B across S होगा B across G plus R का मान हम तो लेगा अगर V S है डिवाइड करेंगे क्या नो 25 minus I Z लेगा equals to B G plus R क्या नो my potential है अपन already मान P है 25 millivolt में oh 25 millivolt good oh sorry C is the name I see the shunt resistance हम हाउ हम that shunt resistance हाउ का C से क्या नो 25 से I unit से अंतर को unit से confuse कर दो रे unit confuse करूँ यहाँ स्क्वायर कर दो रे I से क्या से ampere ni ampere को इरम दिना सिद्धा बोले मैं यहाँ तक 25 minus I Z है क्या को I Z से क्या होगी milli ampere तो कौन क्यों नहीं अदर मैं कोशिश कमाई यार नहीं 25 into 1000 है यार milli तो कौन ना divided by I Z को 25 100 कौन को जी मतलब milli तो कौन ना unit तो confuse तो ना divided by some resistance so S ni यार को अपना ताकत तो बिजली तो क्या था तारानी मिली एम्पियर तो कौन करनी ना एस ना कोई हो जाए ओम तो और होगा Sina ohm, sina milliampere, and the warren last at a millivolt. The song right certificate no. Right certificate 25 millivolt high me, and the unit by Mandareko, Karianse, I did the Takada. Good Sivo Pikan. Next time, the okay. You see questions the net, I'm not aware. See the equation. Equation now for pair, equation for pair, variable I hungry, S hungry, and equation I'm going to come. See equations again, I just come to S over the time, and for the R. I don't know. Assumption of the assumption Z. Assumption Z, you know, I don't know. You will say, I see a secret rate of matter. Emitter up a converter was a no. Low resistance of P, low resistance, maximum current. I just say in terms of few milliampere, say 150 milliampere and lack of 150 milliampere is so 25,000 milliampere. And is a compared to Matanga. Sine am saw Maramna Penacavani. I just say ignore to be ava. IG can be ignored. And you know to say, like a see, and I said, believe the Hana gonna be ignore to be. Then, on the house formula C equation Z to 5 or into 1000 or S equals to 25. Yeah, good. Other than say 25 how many unit is millivolt, nothing got S ohms 1 unit. And the S equals to high C from the second 1 by 1000 ohm now draw. Have the 10 to the power minus 3 0.001 ohm. From option no 0.001 option, that is option number 8. See some question of Piramata, I see A to the car way to the relation to the there was season of GP, RSP, and Hungary. But the time for the ICC, when you know we are making money, Karin and is compared to the ICC and people carrying. Remember the manometer liber money maximum deflection over Yapa very small 100, 200 million. The Khasi University 25 ampere, 25,000 million. Then you go see it. See the Mutani point of the okay, next up, question number 3. Question number 3 that is a uniform electric and a magnetic a uniform electric field and a uniform magnetic field are acting along the same direction. Direction job manana say amana E harage, amana B harage, mana take over. Good. In a certain region, if an electron is projected in a region, see manu an electron, amaka smile puzzle ray, some initial velocity V hydra. V velocity initial entry velocity is along the direction of the field, I see parallel minus minus puzzle ray. Electrons the curriculum effect lakata gay alpha. Electrons the curriculum effect lakata gay having. Again, lakata have option number 1 will turn towards right of direction of motion. Okay. Option option है कि नो मासे स्माइल चल मगा right turn ले यही है स्माइल right turn left right turn स्माइल ले तो किनी अब speed will decrease speed तो 100 कनी है अनि जो option दा v will decreases and मनु जंजल लोगन माइंड speed तो 100 कनी है अब option number C ना मनु जंजल लगा v दो निकला कनी है बनी your will turn towards left of direction of motion option number B ना मासे स्माइल चल मगा तो स्माइल तो किनी है और direction तो होनी है कब बच्चों लोग माल ये वो electric field does charge to electric field is effect effect of E. Other than the electron do Manuga Sanjalo Matanda, electric field of electric field of Manunda, Smina parallel winner, SARS and hooks and the electron SARS. More than period of force of force of a force of command any Leramiva or Pusaliba charge and the electron. Other than Leramiva electric field E direction D, more the opposite way. The vector Yumatanda minus happening because SARS electron opposite force line. Hyperdy, then a smina piston cell woman, maybe electric field number of a city velocity opposite force of my electron. Force of electron, opposite winner. The opposite when the echo, the velocity can recommend. I said, the number that I know the smile and king of Adi. I want to go Mamma and Mount, and Mamma, I'm going to mean it. Or they money can get away. That means velocity can be never. And the velocity decrease of any can effect, even E effect. Although B if B young passing, B young is a being a force current range. Electronomus is 100 velocity V. More the force can happen. And magnetic force again. Magnetic force T. Come on, E. QVB sin theta hai denge adu sidadi theta je 0 degree ne ba parallel san lo mina theta 0 ita di force 0 chala ne habadi magnetic force act hote magnetic force act hote adu electric force na motion to opposite act horamina velocity will decreases. Option number B. Option B is the answer. Velocity will decreases. Good. Yeah, come. Yeah, uri mo simo. Uri. Next, question number 4. Next, question number 4. Next, question number 4. Question number 4, my height, a closely wound solenoid of 2000 turns. My number of turns is 2000. An area of cross section carries a current of 2 ampere. The number of turns per unit length, number of turns. Total turn per unit length, upon money turns 2000 upon money turn. Number of unit per unit length, total. Good. Okay, an area of cross section, one area period. Area is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. How is solenoid? Solenoid say, number of turns. Cosine turn total number of turns engine 2000 chale. Area area circle circle area area period. Here is a current ko my current. Current 2 ampere current. It is suspended through its center. Center is the Maya is thorium minus 1 thorium minus 1 thorium Maya and suspended to its length along it and perpendicular to its length minus along it to turn in a horizontal plane in a uniform magnetic field of the magnetic field apply to a mechanical angle of 30 degree. 30 degree एक direction is the magnetic field में 30 degree form line magnetic field 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Tesla. Yang dapat question scenario se torque on this. Ako na tama torque on a solenoid has the torque se ako kamay simha torque equals to M cross B has simha sir potential energy na work done work done M dot B है M dot B torque से scalar de M B sin theta theta se between M and B. Solenoid M direction M direction my axial point either from the opposite or from positive my this is the direction of M. Have the axial point to the axial point to the point of M. Other have said I use solenoid M M is minor lemony although B na C parallel lemon says C swine retro theta theta is 30 degree. The theta come here B come here M the point to M the light upon the magnetic moment of light M has a number of total number of turns to M name. Although Karina cano I name, Adukama area cano A, see magnetic moment. Although going period, therefore, to Harabi, M Mota, MIA, Aduga, BD, or B model measurement is sign off and cano 30 degree. Follow Katani? What is it? The Kamahani equals to Haraga, M Mota 2000. I you move the I is 2 ampere. Assignment not to the area is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 assignment not to me and plus student right. B B is okay 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 assignment the sign of 30 sin 30 1 by 2. Otherwise unity for unity for with force meter unity or Newton meter unity by Newton meter after the period of value 2 yang like kan kena tulis sini 2 siga 1.3 siga 1.3 0 20 ga 1.5 balik kan 3 tarani ko 30 tarani oke 3 tarani good 2 go 1.5 percent 2 kan lo 1.5 siga 3 tare तो 5 siga puri 15 tarani Oh, machine the higher 15 direct pull up. Well, the zeros in Razi, zeros the Kaya, home yore, the minus from the Kaya, minus 2, minus 4, and minus 6 yore, I will see 3 0 Kapuna. Then you call minus 3, you can get up. Option the Kamano. Okay, sir, minus the 1.5 and eta gadi 0 almost the Sakada minus minus 2 Newton meter 1.5 into 10 minus 2 Newton meter Kamano. Option C. Option C is the correct answer. Like draw. Like you got them like. And do so correct? Make post or say look. I'm a fan. Good. Next question come on. Question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 has if number of turns area and current through a coil is given by number of turns in N period area in period. I do not current I period. Then magnetic moment have a like rho. Magnetic moment have to NI Yarba. The total current into area never. Ado third among the I send the total height of the N turn in NI you know. Ado current A. Good. Can you go? And the NIA is the option. Option number 2. Yeah. Like question number 6. Question number 6 है. हम इंग्लिश कोई है कौन? इसमें कोई है नहीं. Question number 6 है. समझो क्या? Question number 6 है. The torque acting on the current carrying loop of magnetic moment M and area A है क्या? And the magnetic moment M का area A को इसमें है. अदो torque नहीं ना कुछ मतलब दली कहीं नो M cross B है इसमें लाकर दोगे बा. ऐसा ना? अदो ना लगी A के मोहता B वन थोको. अदो मैं सी क्वेश्चन में समझो. Option number 8 है. Magnetic moment A and area. बस ये कमाई लाते नो. Look, I'm not smile area. Smile area. The magnetic field is some how you can this mind and making some angle theta. Good. All the magnetic fields current is this some low I. See case the keduni. See makha gize P Q R S. P Q ne R S ne magnetic field the parallel na pedoni mama di to force la really go la go zero ne lo. Good. See the magnetic force you know. Perpendicular going करता आगे दी मंगोंदा किधरानी नहीं magnetic field समझ रहे current समझ लाया नहीं तो आप आगे घूम अन था गले को good okay और तब इसी केस का किधरानी magnetic field समझ सकते हैं current समझ मतलब तो लाया कि force मनु संगी ड्रॉप ना force मनु संगी नहीं से something से force मनु संगी रसोंगी same way से इसना force है हम पालन समझ को लगता नहीं Erba, small colony. Let talk me again hardy force into Mavani distance and throw Mavani distance. Distance I was given a little again. Force again. No. See, magnetic force D ILB never. ILB because that see length see the length L Helazi, season A Helazi, season B Helazi. Already, see length and force into length have a force into my distance to never. This is A hardening. Otherwise, session of the force length to B is never or IB into B. My angle is sign of theta never and theta. Otherwise, the area only E have only. See A biga rectangles over A biga and Purina was the area not wrong. Other A big punjil I A. Otherwise, Siga punjil area B sin theta. And I is a magnetic moment. Other B is not B sin theta. And the horizontal Kanga the bar M cross B had a lack of magnetic. Magnetic talks it. Talk had already some sort of money about M cross B. Magnetic dipole moment into B. When it's solid area moira. Good. Other the M the camo. M cross B had like the other one is that B motor area on period Naliko and M cross B. B cross M had a Naliko. Cross for the Tiamo Chilazani. Then head come on the net. Like other M cross B. Season to make off. M cross B. Yeah? No question. Look at the question number 7. Okay. Question number 7 is diamagnetic. Can you tell me? For paramagnetic, magnetic materials property ni. Can you tell me? See, ako yung nangyari si option ko di ko zero tago na diamagnetic magnetic moment zero. Good. Kuha na nangyari. Question number 9 ito si. Question number 9 mahal sige no. Cha mano magnet is my thumb. Yarba, and tricky question. This is not. This is solved. Smart. ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ exact center ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ some particular point ꯗ charge q ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯤꯜꯂꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯦ force on q ꯁꯦ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯇꯥꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯟꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯖꯤꯔꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯁꯟꯁꯦ OP ꯌꯥꯔꯕ ꯁꯤꯗ O ꯂꯩꯔꯦ this is point P ꯅ OP ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ B ꯗ ऑप्शन नंबर सी दा पी और ऑन द सुमाइने फोर्स लाके ऑप्शन नंबर डी दा द प्लेन ऑफ द पेपर से परपेंडिकुलर ने सुमाइने लाके या है द फोर्स क्या था ये होना ना तुम्हें तो मैग्नेटिक फोर्स हद करी मानेगे q v b sin थीटा ना तो इन रिलेशन तो सीनियर चार्ज ना कहीं वो मोशन हो जाता है चार्ज लिंक में थंबा चार्ज और v is 0 ना तो v is 0 सडनली बस चार्ज लिंक द टारगेट दिया b 0 और भी मैग्नेटिक फोर्स क्या ना 0 ना तो and so the force on this charge q is 0 option number 2 like your tricky name yarba nagi note or here sabe ira equation of force with 0 because charge is not moving charge move already 0 like oh the question number 11 question number 11 jam to question number 11 to see next way question number 11 oh me yaw ko yeah question number 11 question number 11 da kai hai mana magnet ama khak lai sumaina oh magnet si ma ye pole strength to m har ge si m har ge yarba pole strength amana m amana minus m bazu nei adu mm da yu ko no stop good adu ma ye length se hoji ke already 2l ni lor si 2l अभी तक कि मागी मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट तो क्या था कि m है वो मतलब था मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट है तो नो मागी लेंथ इनटू पोल स्ट्रिंग होने वाला m से पोल स्ट्रिंग दिस इज अगर हजिक सेम से अपन कहीं बुरे कहीं तो रबा ना कि स्माइना आग अमो इन फॉर्म तो रहे हो मागी रेडियस हो क्या नो खंगरी और रेडियस हो आई स्माइन ये है सपोज दिस इज अ सेंटर O सेंटर C अगर मागी रेडियस से आने लोअर से गुड अगर मान है कि एंगल क्या नो 60 डिग्री फॉर्म तो रहे और मागी मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट पुतो मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट पुतो क्या दी कर पोर्शन अब होइस अब होइ जस्ट पोल अनि दो स्ट्रेट लाइन दो समझलो देम स्माइल कर और बदो अनि दो हाने स्ट्रेट लाइन समझलो बा कनि को असिदा m सम m पोल स्ट्रेट तो अमरा सिदा माइनस m हाइरो ने सपोज अब अइ गोरेन फॉर्मुला जे गोरेन पान मतम दा m हाइब से क्या मानगनी नंगी मबानी सी लेंथ सी l हाइब लेंथ से क्या तादो नो बुतो l into नंगी पोल स्ट्रेट अमख दिस इज द फॉर्मूला अब आई एम से कहिनो एल पुथोकने एल से काई पुथोकनी येमो से एल से पुथोके हागदि आई सिदा स्माइन के दोगी स्माइन हम समझलो अदो सिदा परपेंडिकुलर ओइने परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप मा थादो अदि परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप ओरे ताखाय खाइदलमिना से एंगल से 30 30 ओइद्रो 60 दो ताखाय खाइदले 30 30 अदि सिगी लेंग अनि सि मानिको से सिगा माननी अदि अमख पुथो हेरगा ट्वाइस इयाएबा अदि सिदा आनी अदि सि सेंटर सी सीजे आई ए कॉल गया सीजे ना से पी हैन कॉल गया दिस इज क्यू है गया और आई होजिक ट्रायंगल से स्माइल सम लिख हो गया बा यान रो सीजे राइट ट्रायंगल दिस इज कॉपी दिस इज क्यू और सी और एंगल दे क्या नो 30 और सी एंगल से एक सीजे आई क्या नो रे बा आर ने खन रे और आई पाम से पी क्यू से पाम बने बा पी क्यू पुतो क्या दी सी साइड से पुतो क्या दी आर ऑफ sin थीटा निको से आर sin 30 डिग्री लाइक से r से कंपोनेंट अनि तुम थुआरो एंगल यावमा एंगल यावदबरो दा r sin 30 दुदी sin 30 दी 1/2 ने अदि r/2 अब अइने पामिदी p q होता नतेबा p दगी पुल अप असांगसने l नेबा यदि p q सुम अनि नथो twice p q अरे twice r/2 अदि r गुड r खंद्रे अदि मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट पुदबो मतमदा l हजि खंगे l नि मता r m जु खंगे अदु r जे इन टर्म्स ऑफ l द सांगा कोना को साजी को साजी नमाय सामिल दे हारो सी कर्व सी लेंथ ना को टोटल लेंथ से टोटल 2l नंबर पोर्ट से आई कमाई साल की नो कर्व ओने साल ने ना कर्व सी जु सी अकोन बसी पुल अप के आसाम से 2l ओइरो ना अकोन बसी पुथो के हरदी पुल अप दा से सम हाना एंगल दु करी 2 पाई ओन मतम दा 2 पाई एंगल ओन मतम दा टोटल लेंथ को सर्कमफ्रेंस हाका दु देमिस 2 पाई आर ओर नि करीमा एंगल दो 2 पाई और मगदी 2 पाई और कदमी करीमा एंगल दो थीटा और हम तागदी एनी एंगल थीटा और मतलब 2 पाई का तुम रहेगा r बाय से r थीटा लागने हरबा r थीटा लाई और ताग आई होजिक कनो तो गुस गइनो एंगल से 60 डिग्री ओइरबनी ना 60 degree होता है अपन क्या है नहीं पाई बाय 3 ने थ्रो पाई बाय 3 ने बा टोटल लेंथ तो होसे क्या तो लगेगा पाई बाय 3 ऑफ आर ना ने बा खनो ब्रे होसे सी कर्व की डिस्टेंस है के माने थीटा टाइम्स आर ने बा थीटा भी क्या नो पाई बाय 3 ni अदुगा आर भी आर नु लेजे सिदगी आई आर पुथो पे याम रो आर इक्वल्स टू 3 द सोंदा लांगा आगा 6l divided by pi याई को इसमें अभी therefore अभी अनुबा मोमेंट क्या नो 2 क्या नो l m ni l m l की मोहता क्या नो ताकि तो r की मोहता क्या नो ताकि से 6l by pi अभी क्या गुड अभी हां की मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट में क्या नो m equals to 2lm और अन्य से कंपेयर तो रो अन्य से कंपैरिजन तो मान की से कमांड की आंसर तो okay in terms of how many m's the p ne ba all this my hero m just divided by m hai ta ga ani du yen to to ma amazina 6l m by pi is no 2l m ne ba kana kana question nahi 2 ne 6 di 3l ge l question re m question re ka ta wi 3 by pi therefore m just has m the sum nang re ga 3m by pi then option of 3m by pi option number D is the answer question number 11 good okay question ani kham tong ji adu ne let's see hello ne मैं फसना पोस्ट और सिलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन तो next question number 12 a bar magnet having a magnetic moment magnetic moment period m equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 joule per tesla is free to rotate in a horizontal plane हम करता है free तो rotate तो भी आ रहे हो a horizontal magnetic field हम horizontally period b into 10 to the power minus 4 tesla exists in this space the work done in taking the magnet slowly from a direction parallel to the field to a direction of 30 degrees since minus bar magnet हम ले रहे हैं suppose this is the bar magnet हम ले रहे बाकी magnetic moment तो सोम नहीं लॉर्ड से this is north this is south oh sorry this is south this is north magnetic moment has the magnet मनु की property में को अगर मनु सीधा m हम ले रहे हैं सीधा अपने magnetic field में apply करें स्माइल लाइन में magnetic field और this is the magnetic field अगर physics से हाँ ने parallel हम लोग इस थीटा 0 है सीधा की आई हाउसिंग magnet तो स्माइल magnetic field भी change हो रहा है को magnetic field change हो गया अगर मैंने की बार magnet तो स्माइल लाइक है